Hello everyone. As you see, my mission Greece has officially failed till this is the last week. Today is Wednesday, even though I'm actually I'm not with a blown account, but you see it's not looking very good and I messed up. So nevertheless, let's go over our trades, over my trades. What did I see? I saw this huge uptrend right there, a correction, two-legged but very sharp. I saw this channel and the channel was sloping upwards and we had a trend channel line overshoot. This was my first sell, but I would actually want to scale in higher, so I tried to get a better fill and went out break even on the first trade, and I got my better fill somewhere around here and I scaled in higher, but after there was very strong buying power below this level, it was really jump. I concluded that this might be just a high one buy signal for a lot of people, so I sold out at the pullback in the same bar. Left me with a loss for today with $640 till I'm obviously on the wrong side of the trade. I stopped the trade today. I didn't want to bet on a breakout continuation because the pattern doesn't look very good. You see, rising channels usually don't break up to the outside, and when they do, they usually reverse after a couple of bars. I bet on a two-legged move, but I didn't get it. Was this trade a bad trade though? I'm not very sure. This kind of trading, as Albrook says it, you can do it. 66% of the time you will get left behind with a small loss or a small win or a break even, but on 30% of the time you get a write down 2 to 1 at least, and sometimes even much more. Let's say if there would be a trading range developing down there somewhere, this is a lot of times my actual risk, so this could be a very good trade, but this didn't play out very good. Sometimes you get a huge rejection somewhere here and then you can stay in the trade a little longer. This is not what happened, so we just sloping upwards. Maybe this is continuing in a kind of spike and channel pattern, but I bet on the trading range reversal, and yeah, this was my trade for the day, and I was a loser. Still, let's go over our stats. As always, they are really miserable. I have a 50% win rate. The average win is actually smaller than the average loss. So this is an issue as well, because I don't have a lot of winning trades altogether. So this was my break-even trade and this was the pullback exit, trying to make a little less loss than really necessary. My profit factor is really bad. Still, I am some kind of holding this account right now. You see, I had a pullback down here. Now I have a little rise in my execution, but still drawdown. This doesn't look very good either, since since I really rocked the evaluation, this hurts because the evaluation went really, really good. I was sure that this wouldn't continue forever, but still, starting with real bad days, then continuing not very strong. Maybe I put too much pressure on myself. I'm really a little stressed the last couple of days. But today I thought I was executing very well, so I obeyed my rules. I didn't do anything stupid. I think I knew what I was doing, so well, this wasn't actually a really bad day, but still I was wrong. So since Mission Greece has officially failed, I need to think something over for this account, given the fact I may don't be able to regain. But you know, this too shall pass. Nothing lasts forever. Yeah, well, a nice spot. My monthly P&L is slightly positive because we had a new month given the last week and this week, so it's not all that bad. It's still very, very bad, but it could be worse. Awesome. So I wish you all the best. Have a great day, and bye bye.